Abhifx. So today I am going talking about trade updates of the last week. So from this Monday to Friday. So today is Saturday. So today is 31st of the May. So this is probably the last week of the month. So the overall recap of this week is, for me, it's a break even, or you can say it as a loss trades, because I haven't taken much trades because I haven't got time this week. I was just less available in this week. I was just traded about, I think, Friday, and one trade was on Thursday. So the first 3 days of the week I wasn't available at the market. I have another work. I have at academic works, so I have joined a new course. So based on that, I have no time to trade on the Asian or London. So after effects of not analyzing on Asian and London, I can't able to analyze or identify the zones and what to do in the New York session as well. So I planned just 2 trades and took that, but 2 of them were SL, and I will share my update on that. So let's shift into 15-minute time frame. So the first trade was around, our bias was bullish, but I took a bearish trade because of this support zone. But so one lesson is that follow your bias at any cost. Okay, so you can see that in the 15-minute time frame, after clearing this liquidity of this order block candle, I predicted that the market will come down. The CASD is given here so that it will be in the 5-minute time frame. You can see where yeah, this is my last trade on the Friday. I was looking at the Thursday's trade. Yeah, this one. So this is my CASD on 5-minute time frame, and I keep my entry point at FG, and the SL below that third candle or the second candle, but the SL was given. And look at this move. If I have trusted my bias, or if I have followed my bias strictly, I have gotten a big move of something around 81 pips. So my SL was got on 6 pips. So the next trade was on the Friday, so the last day of the week. As well as Friday will be little consolidating, because it's the last week of the month, so it's maybe probably a month closing, and as well as the week closing, and it will be probably consolidating as well. So if you look at the New York session, the New York giving the high, a low, and taken that high out in the New York session itself. So it's not predictable for a beginner trader like us. So I am not an advanced one. So I think the most advanced one, or the trader who have great experience, have gotten that trade. So my trade update was, I followed the bias because the last trade was gone wrong, not because of following the bias. So I followed this here, but the entry point was a little bit wrong. Because you can see a big gap in these 3 candles, right? 1, 2, 3 candles. So there's a big, huge gap here. So if I have taken the gap of 50% of covering that gap, I will probably get that trade. You can see that in the 30-minute time frame. I will show it another. I got a perfect trade. This is the candle, the big gap. But when we looking at after these big candles, the buying pressure has slowed. We can see that sellers taking control of this market after clearing this liquidity. Sellers take down the market to downside. I took on a trade here after giving the fake CASD, but I believe that it is the best CASD. But the thing is that the sellers give this as an inducement area and go back. So I took on a trade on the retracement, but I got SL. But the real thing is that if I have analyzed the market properly on the 30-minute time frame, I would got a trade. You can see that is order block area plus that FVG is 50% zone. You can say that in 0.5 level. Yeah, 0.5 level. So if we took on a trade like this 0.5 level, so the SL would be in 0.7. So SL would be around here, and 1:2. I got 1:2 around 1:2 4.7. So it would be having a good trade if I have taken like that. But I have gonna mess with that, and I haven't taken a trade like that, and I taken in the wrong direction, and I got a SL. So the last week was a good one, but this week is a lesson, and it's a losing week. So no problem, there are coming weeks at all. And the main thing I got losses in this week is that I don't given time to the market. I haven't given time to the market. I was choppy in this days, and I haven't looked at the charts. I was lazy, so I paid for that. So thank you guys. See you in the next video with the next trade.